here's why it matters about our debt and our deficit under Bush. What he created was a society of entitlement that we could have two wars that cost $800 billion and cut taxes at the same time. So if you look at the debt as a measure of it, we have $16 trillion in debt. $10 trillion of it occurred under the Bush presidency. Now, why is that important? Because the policies that he's enacted
didn't occur under the Bush presidency. That was the total debt since George Washington, all right?
No.
You zipped it on up.
No, sir, that is not correct.
Look.
We had a surplus under Clinton. A surplus under Clinton. The debt had been X'd out.
So the debt wasn't X'd out. You're mixing up the deficit with the debt.
No, he took
No. You're missing the deficit with the deficit is yearly spending. The debt is cumulative. The debt wasn't wiped out.